going to file this under not shocking.
Mm-hmm.
Call of Duty, specifically, I guess Activision or Microsoft or Xbox, wherever you want to call it. Probably not Satya Nadella, but
Yep.
they put out a blog post yesterday that pretty much sums up what we all kind of knew, that Black Ops 7 is not doing
A
that well.
shit show? Oh, I'm sorry. Underperforming compared to competitive games that are strangely resilient right now.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so glad you led with Call of Duty. I have a Call of Duty story for you, as it turns out.
But they don't say it that way, but like if you read it, they're like, we're gonna have more ways to try for free, and then they come out and say we will no longer do back-to-back releases of Modern Warfare or Black Ops games. The reasons are many. I think the reasons are that they're not selling as well because people are like, I can play the last.
The reasons are one.
Yeah,
So,
like let's be real here. If Black Ops 7 was the best-selling title ever, Black Ops 8 would come out next year. like what are they talking about?
The thing that bugs me about this is this already happened. Like. They did Modern Warfare 3 right after 2.
Yep.
It was originally going to be an add-on.
Mm-hmm.
And then they were like, wait a minute, we make like $1 billion every fall when we do this as a game. So let's just turn it into a game. They pretended it was like a full release.
Yeah.
And it didn't go good, right? It didn't go well. But now they just did it again.
And
but
it's Pikachu faced here.
If you know like the history of this stuff, you know that as Call of Duty got bigger and bigger, they were trying to do different game types, different scenario, whatever they were. They had 2 studios at one point, and then it was 3, and this is the only way they could manage this giant machine that was Call of Duty. But the truth is, all of the franchises from Ghosts on out that they tried, Advanced Warfare, I forget all the names, right? Because none of them, Infinite Warfare, whatever they were, they all underperformed. Although, by the way, I bet if you went back and looked at any of those games I just mentioned compared to what's happening now, they wish they could have that back.
Yeah, who knows? But yeah, you're probably. I mean,
So they have 3 studios. They got all this stuff churning at the same time, and they still can't put out like a slightly different game every other year or whatever. So I am. Yeah. Oh, so let me. Couple of laptops in for review. So I did a clean install of Call of Duty, and I decided I'll install the whole thing.
Yeah.
This is over 300 gigabytes.
Oh my God.
Yep. So this morning, after it was done, I decided, because I got up early today, I had time to kill, and I'm not to play it, but just to, from modern versions of Call of Duty, that you'll do an update, and then it has to do the shader thing where it just sits there and reapplies the shaders or whatever. It takes a while. So I went into Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and let it do that. Exited, went into Black Ops 6, the last one. Yeah, Black Ops 6, which, as you know, requires a couple reboots and whatever stupidity, UIC dialogues, et cetera, et cetera. Let it do that. And then I did the thing I've never done, which was like, I'm going to do this for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. And then I guess the other one is 2, right? Dude, that required another 110 gigabyte download.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. So as I speak, it has you forget these things, or I forget these things, but like Modern Warfare 3, like the front end of it, the way it works and everything is exactly the same as the game is today. So like these games are all the same. They're the same. Like they're like the way they're structured, the way they work, the way for some reason when you're playing with a controller, it wants to aim with the mouse by default. And if you don't remember to turn that off, you can't play like a multiplayer game. So right now it is done with the shaders for Modern Warfare 3. So I'm going to try this again for Modern Warfare 2, and I swear to God, if this thing requires another download, I'm going to hurl this thing to the wall. Like, I have wasted so much bandwidth just managing Call of Duty like it's a career, Like I don't know. They got to fix this. This thing is a nightmare. And that's why I don't think it's selling well. I think there's so many, like how many times you get like punch in the face, and you're like, you know what? I'm done.
Yep.
Speaking of which, I'm sorry to babble, but I also installed Fortnite yesterday on a Windows 11 on ARM PC, Surface Laptop 7. 80 gigabytes, by the way, for this cartoon piece of junk. But I played several matches. Actually, it plays great. Looks great. I mean, it looks cartoonish, but it, seems like it runs good.
Different
Came in
audience,
third one time. That was the best I did. I don't build things. I pretty much break things. You can kind of picture the way I would play. But that worked pretty good. You know, I'm like thinking to myself, maybe I do something like this. You know, instead of whatever this freaking mess is. It's like, what did I do? Install Azure? Like, what is this? I don't know. It's very complicated.
Well, while you're doing that, you said bandwidth, and then it reminded me of something which people you may not be able to see.
Yeah, I guess it.
So, I've been burning some midnight oil working on Connection Explorer, and I've got down to per app tracking for bandwidth now.
Per app tracking.
Yeah.
All right, so what's using all the bandwidth then?
Well, right now it's us.
Well, okay. I mean, but you've been looking at this over time. Like, what have you must have seen something that you were like, wait, what?
A little bit. So yes, but here's like I've been watching it for this call, and like you can see for anybody who's watching the video, like here's where the call started, right there for MS Edge, because you do this through Edge, and then like bam, you can like blow it apart and start to see where the data comes in. And yeah, it just reminded me.
Would you describe this as a vibe coding project?
Sort of. I mean, there's some what I refer to like, and then I put this little chart in here, and it only updates every 15 minutes, so we haven't been talking long enough. But it'll actually break out your overall whatever.
But you can see like where it's pinging from and stuff, like on the map.
Yeah,
like but it will actually show you the
in your bandwidth and plots it all. You could describe it as vibe coding, but there's definitely some meat bag coding in there, as I refer to it.
I think there has to be, right? I mean,
yeah, no,
for the most part of it.
The vibe coding takes care of the annoying part, like, hey, I'm building this framework. Please populate the navigation rail for me. That's great. Writing the algorithm for how to make the IP lookups and the frequency and all that stuff is terrible at that. So
interesting. And this is this is
Connection
C Sharp. It is C Sharp.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yep, C Sharp WPF.
Yeah. Okay. Right.
All that, and then
okay, that's good.
Yeah.
The funny thing is for this call, like if you look at that map, like a map of the world, Brad and I are the same pixel on this map. Just because of the scale. But I bet if you could follow the path between our calls, it would involve most of North America. You know what I mean? Like even though there's a straight line to be had from me to you.
Zoom in there.
I bet that's not the. Yeah, there you go. See, yep. It's like the whole Eastern Seaboard is involved in this call.
The cool thing is so I had to write this manually. So if you right mouse click now, it actually blows apart that like section into the.
I like it. Look at you, man. You're making like UI and stuff.
Yeah, this was challenging. Getting that done. But
can you zoom into that a little bit? Like into that part of the map. Yeah. Yeah. Then do that again.
That's as far as it'll go that I have it currently.
That's good.
So that's probably you.
MS Edge. No, it's definitely not
it
me.
Doesn't. It's like I say, Paul Thurrott, but
if it says Edge, it's not me.
I mean,
I'm doing this in the Meet app on an iPhone, so whatever that means, I don't know.
Yeah, well, that's me. That's my instance of MS Edge running this Google Meet call, and I'm assuming, I mean, you're over in that region ish. The thing is like one of the feedbacks we get is like, let us zoom all the way into the street level, and the resolution of the data.
You want to see like the line going out of your house to the street and going up the telephone pole or something.
Well, yeah. The problem is that the resolution of the data is not that accurate. It's and this is all. Even the data isn't perfect. So yes, that one works, but sometimes you'll get a geo coordinate lookup from a database, and you're like, I don't think that's accurate. But yeah, one of the feedbacks like, I want to zoom in on Google Maps and see the street view. And it's like, okay, it is.
Yeah, that's nice.
I mean, in theory, it's possible. Like if you buy enough of the data and triangulate it enough, you could maybe get there. But it's never gonna be perfect.
Sure.
And that high resolution. Like this isn't a CIA app. This is.
By the way, what you just said is an excellent title for a book about software development. It's never going to be perfect.
Oh yeah.
That's the perfect name, one might say.
The further I get down this rabbit hole, the more I realize how much software in the world right now is going like, I don't really know why that works, but we're just going to go with it.
That's the joke. When, the 90s, when Microsoft was maybe the most disrespected software development place on earth, it was like, you compile this, ship it. And it's like, it's kind of the way it works. So yeah, a lot of, what's the opposite of triage? It's like triage is
Mass
technically
casualty.
something. Well, it's like you do it after the fact. It's like the TSA model. Like, okay, we would just
Preemptive.
something bad happened. Now we're going to do that. We're going to solve that problem after the fact. You know, it's like proactive versus reactive or whatever.
Yeah. Anyways, it's raining here. It's just a yuck.
Raining,
day.
really? Oh.
Yeah.
What's temperatures? But yeah, it was never got above 30 yesterday. By the way, it was a beautiful day yesterday.
Yeah. Well, you probably got some rain coming, is my guess.
Yeah, I think you're right.